Education in India has been about sustainability for centuries, maybe millennia. Traditionally, our lifestyles were sustainable, and you did not have to be taught this separately in school. You were taught this right from childhood in the way people used sustainable materials, had a lifestyle where nothing was use and throw, and where we respected water, nature, and the elements around us. Today we are having to teach sustainability because an imposition of Western use and throw values and the easy availability of excess resources has become typical, and all of us are being driven to overconsume much more than we need by advertising, by marketing, by trends that make it glamorous for us to have more than we need. So it becomes imperative that we include sustainability as part of our formal education, but also imperative that we restore sustainability to its rightful place in our informal education, upbringing, and daily awareness.